Hi Leo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot. And yes, it is Omkara Tarot. I know my setting has changed. I am moving home and city at the same time. So it's been really tough, but the cards are here, Leo. I'm here, Spirit is here. So let's make do with this setup till my stuff comes. I mean, I've arrived, my stuff hasn't yet. So let's do a quick love bite and see what's going on with you. I'm so sorry I missed out the week's readings, but I'm back now. So let's see. My angels, spirit guides, please bless this reading for Leo and send them the messages they need to hear the most for their love life now. Thank you. All right, Leo. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you so much for being patient with me. And newbies, if you're brand new to the channel, of course, we're welcoming you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Bring it closer to you. Okay. Three of Pentacles, the Sun card, Four of Swords, Five of Pentacles, Seven of Cups, center of my spread, Page of Swords, Chariot, the Star, and the Nine of Swords. Bottom of my deck, Leo, I have the Nine of Wands in reverse. Okay, so let's see what's happening here. From what I see here, Leo, I feel somebody's in a lot of confusion. They don't know. They're feeling quite left out, I think, by one person. They want to work things out. They're not happy. They are contemplating. They are in seclusion, maybe thinking about how I can get out of, feeling left out in the cold. Maybe this person is gossiping or trying to gather information. They do want to chase. They want to contact the person who they're feeling left out from, because they see them as their wish fulfillment. So let's see what's going to happen. I am going to start, Leo, with some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be first, and then we do the rest of the cards. So Leo and their person, Spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Leo and their person. Leo and their person. Okay, thank you. I'm going to take a few more, Leo, from another deck. Leo and their person. Leo and their person, Spirit. Thank you. And let's take a couple more from another deck. Leo and their person. Leo and their person. All right. Good to go, Leo. Let's start your reading. The first card here says, "You were always my desire, the love of my life, but I didn't tell you. It shocked the hell out of me when you told me you felt the same, as I never expected that. You're all I want, but I just don't feel good enough for you. I want us to be able to talk through things properly. The only problem is, in your presence, all I seem to have is wild, dirty thoughts about what I want to do to you. You say that I'm your divine true love and I'm always on your mind. I don't understand how you could have then ghosted, ignored, and even blocked me so much over the years. There are times when you've denied my existence, so much that I felt that the pain might only end if I no longer existed. No matter how complicated this gets, I won't ever give up on you or us. I'm feeling really insecure at this time. I feel like a little child compared to you. You make me feel weak at the knees. I feel overwhelmed and powerless to the all-consuming love that I have for you. I'm planning a surprise engagement. I want to ask you to marry me. Will you say yes? Recovery takes time. Please have faith in me. You're all I desire. And the last one here, Leo says, I'm healing my heart from past hurt. Give me some time. All right, Leo, these were some of your messages. Now let's go back to the reading. Of course, we're going to start as always with our angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for this read first. So my angels, blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for my Leo gang. Blessing, guidance, advice. Okay. And the card I have for you, Leo, says play music, chill. Somebody really needs to take a chill pill here, or maybe somebody is, and that's what's stressing the other person out. I have no stand at the moment. Leo, my stuff still hasn't arrived, so well. Okay, so Spirit, what's this Three of Pentacles with the Sun card in reverse? Oh, okay. Okay, so somebody really wants to work things out with somebody who I think they ignored in the past. Okay, and there's a Queen of Cups here who is stopped giving love or attention, has pulled back their energy, very drained out of this connection, and I think probably keeping quiet as well, or there's silence, so you guys are not talking to each other. There's somebody who really does want to work things out, but they don't know what to do. They are feeling embarrassed and ashamed of their past behavior or something. So that's the reason the Sun is in reverse. Why is the Sun in reverse, Spirit? Sun in reverse. One more. Okay, somebody is realizing they have to get past their ego, maybe have an ego death or something to have this communication now. They're very unhappy that they will probably have to be the one to make that choice, make that decision. They see clearly that they do want this person back, but they also now not very happy about the fact that they will have to maybe come down from their high horse to do it, right? This person could have been very egoistic in the past. So right now, I think they've just retreated, Four of Swords, kind of thinking about how to spin the wheel in their favor again, how to move things along in a peaceful, harmonious way again. Yes, they are manifesting. They are probably not coming forward to say something directly, but they are wishing and hoping. Look at this person manifesting the end of this conflict, right? They just want this conflict to end so that things can go smoothly for you guys once again. Desperately wanting to come out of this Five of Pentacles feeling. They know the choice. Yeah, they know their choice, but they are kind of going back and forth in their mind as to how to communicate now. This card came out sideways, right? So somebody is kind of wondering how. What should I say? They're a little confused about how to break the silence, maybe. Seven of Cups, Spirit. Seven of Cups. Seven of Cups. Yes, because their past behavior was very erratic, Leo. Somebody's past behavior was drama, behaving like a person who's not consistent, behaving like a player, behaving like somebody who you can't trust. So their past behavior has been so bad that there is a Queen of Wands in reverse now who doesn't trust them, who's angry or maybe upset with them. So all they're doing is maybe trying to figure out via gossip. Page of Swords, Spirit. They're trying to figure out why this Queen of Wands is why is she holding back? Why is this Queen of Wands not wanting to invest anymore? They are trying to, yes, there is gossip going on. They're trying to figure out through petty gossip, basically, trying to gather information or maybe spread rumors, I don't know, that, I was with this Queen of Wands at one time. So that, I don't know why. This is maybe still their ego, because this Queen of Wands seems to be holding back from them. They are a little impatient though. Their impatience is that they want to come out of the cold with this Queen of Wands. But they're not doing it in a very correct manner, I would say. Yes, see, this is it. Creating conflict, creating fights, this is like a very immature, rash energy. This person could be gossiping heavily about this Queen of Wands, just trying to get information about their whereabouts, or if they are with anyone else, or heart of hearts wanting them to themselves. Chariot, Spirit. This is Chariot. Chariot. They're not happy. They're not happy because they do feel love in their heart for this Queen of Wands, but things have halted or stalled. Maybe this King of Cups never really opened up about their emotions, right? Now they do want to come forward and they're deeply unhappy that things have halted. So what's the Star Spirit? And they're also in hermit mode. They're in hermit mode. So I guess this person is getting a little frustrated at being left out. So they're just still behaving, I don't know. Star upright spirit, what's the star? They actually, heart of hearts, this person does see this Queen of Wands as their wish come true. They want to be seen as their emperor, somebody who is to be respected. But the problem here is, Leo, the other person doesn't trust them anymore. They're still angry, they're still upset, they don't have any trust on this King of Cups anymore, who now wants to look like an emperor and come back, because there's never been any equal give and take in the past. It's always been imbalanced. Nine of Swords in reverse, Spirit. Nine of Swords in reverse. Yes, this Queen of Swords is, I think, already gotten over this connection. They don't seem to be losing any sleep. They're not stressing about this person. They seem to have healed themselves. They feel this is over. This is over. One more, Spirit. Yes, this Queen of Pentacles has decided no. They have decided, I have felt very insecure in this connection. I was disrespected in this connection. This person was a narcissist. This person was rude and mean and egoistic. And I am chilling out now. I'm chilling out. I'm not interested. So that's where this is at. And in there, they are kind of creating some drama here through gossip or talking to people or whatever. Actually, in heart of hearts, they are just wanting this connection to come back, because they can't see it coming back, they are creating trouble. So just be aware, Queen of Wands or whoever is the feminine here, I think, that not that it's bothering this queen, she's already kind of given up. I'm no longer in this drama anymore. I've healed myself. Good. So that's all I have for you, Leo. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.